Here's how to fix if the Wi-Fi isn't working on your Samsung Android phone. Now, I have a Samsung Galaxy here. I'm going to walk you through the steps to definitely get that Wi-Fi fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings. So swipe up and tap on the settings icon at the bottom left. Once you're in your settings, you can see at the very top is connections. Let's just tap on connections here. And now you can see Wi-Fi at the very top. Let's tap on that. Now, you can see I'm currently connected to this network, Luddites and Neolites. The first thing you can do, of course, is to toggle it off and wait for a bit, and then just turn it back on. This just essentially reconnects to your Wi-Fi network to see if it is working. You can see it says connected. Now, if it's still not working, you can tap on the three dots at the very top right, and then tap on Advanced Settings. From Advanced Settings, you can see Wi-Fi on and off history. These are apps that can control your Wi-Fi and turn it off basically without your permission. So make sure nothing is on this list and there are no history of it turning your Wi-Fi off without your permission. Now, after you've done that, the next thing that I would recommend doing is going back out of here. And then you can see airplane mode. Or if you swipe down from the top right, you can also see the airplane mode. Just tap on that. Again, this disconnects from everything. And then you're just going to reconnect to it after that by toggling airplane mode off. After we've done that, if this still isn't working, we'll go back into your settings. And let's just go back and we'll scroll down until we find the option for general management and tap on that. Once you're on General Management, scroll down to the bottom until you get to Reset and tap on that. Now, all you need to do is scroll down and hit Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Just tap on that and hit Reset Settings. And just like that, all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings are wiped out and refreshed. This should help to fix everything. Now, if this doesn't help fix it, the last thing I would recommend doing on your phone itself is just pressing and holding that side button and hitting restart, or some people might just swipe down from the top right and hit the restart button or power button from there. If you go through all of these steps and it's still not working, most likely it's not your Samsung phone. It's most likely the actual router itself. So you might want to go and unplug it. Just wait 20, 30 seconds and then plug it back in. That almost always fixes issues with routers themselves. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.